Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the TEAMGROUP T4 XTREEM ARGB DDR5 RAM. Specifically the 48GB kit with two 24GB sticks running at a blistering 7,600 MHz. This memory is designed for the latest Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets and boasts XMP 3.0 support for easy overclocking. First impressions are strong. The aesthetics are striking, featuring what TEAMGROUP calls an aurora shimmer. The 2mm metal craftwork gives it a premium feel, and the ARGB lighting is vibrant and customizable. If you're building a rig where looks matter, this RAM definitely delivers. The smart ARGB controller allows for synchronization with various lighting control software, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your existing setup. Beyond the visuals, this RAM is built for performance. It features a 10-layer anti-interference board, which should help maintain signal integrity at those high speeds. TEAMGROUP has also included an enhanced PMIC heat dissipation design, crucial for keeping things stable when pushing the memory to its limits. The inclusion of a power management IC offers power stability for better efficiency, a feature TEAMGROUP has patented in Taiwan and the US. One of the key features of DDR5 is on-die ECC, which is present here. This provides a more stable system overall, reducing the likelihood of errors during intensive tasks. It's important to note a couple of precautions before you buy. First, check the QVL qualified vendor list of your motherboard to ensure compatibility. Second, remember that the quality of your CPU's memory controller, IMC, and the BIOS version of your motherboard can impact the memory's operating frequency. You might not be able to hit 7,600 MHz right out of the box, and some tweaking may be required. TEAMGROUP backs this RAM with a lifetime warranty, which is always reassuring. It speaks to their confidence in the product's reliability and longevity. In conclusion, the TEAMGROUP T4 XTREEM ARGB DDR5 RAM is a high-performance, visually stunning option for those looking to maximize their system's potential. The combination of speed, capacity, and aesthetics makes it a compelling choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands the best from their hardware. Just be sure to do your homework on compatibility and be prepared to potentially fine-tune your settings to achieve the advertised speeds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.